Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell. Hello everyone, here we have something new for you on OS Tech OS, your own technical channel. Asus is going to launch its newest gaming phone, Republic of Gamers Phone 3, and this is we call ROG Phone 3 in short term. This is going to launch within 8 hours of this day, so wait is over right now and you can see the newest phone with the 865 plus 5G features, just like having two USB Type-C ports and more for gaming performance. Let's see the craziness is going on. The hype is you can see that every gamer who plays on mobile has its own redirectional effort and affection about this phone. So you can see the launch on 22 July 2020, 8:50 p.m. Maybe my timing can incorrect, but you are going to enjoy Asus ROG Phone 3. Keep watching our videos, subscribe and like this video right now.